Hi guys, welcome to this interesting episode and you're listening to Info Corner podcast. Did you know that not just buying products on Amazon but you can also earn lots of money? And you don't need to crack their job interviews to do that. They have Amazon Associate program that lets people make money and it's called affiliate marketing. So what's affiliate marketing? It is an advertising model in which a company utilizes third parties to generate traffic or sales to the company's products and services. You just need an account on either Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or YouTube, and it only takes 3 steps to start earning. Even before we jump on to know how to make money on Amazon and earn thousands of rupees, don't forget to follow Info Corner podcast on Spotify, Amazon Music and Instagram. Also do subscribe to YouTube channel. Listen to this episode fully because I have great tips for you on this at the end. Come on, let's get started. First step is sign up. Just Google Amazon Associate program and you'll find an official website to sign up. Enter your basic details and fill out rest of the form. Once you submit your form, they'll review and get back to you after your acceptance into the program. They also provide a unique associate ID for your future reference. So now we are done with first step. Second step is recommend. Once you're accepted into the program, pick up the top selling products or the products with great deals from the Amazon website and share it on your accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or YouTube. You can directly share it on these platforms from their website and trust me, it's very easy to do so. Whenever your follower purchase these products from the URL you share, Amazon is going to pay you the commission for all those purchased products. These URLs are dedicated to your account only. They also have some special programs where you can earn extra money when you drive your followers to sign up Prime membership or create Amazon business account or to purchase Audible membership. The last and the important step is earn. So why is Amazon going to pay you? Because you are making your followers buy their products. So of course then Amazon has to pay you. So they are going to pay you the certain percentage of amount they receive from customers qualifying purchases. And this excludes shipping, handling, gift wrapping fee, taxes and service charges. The highest commissions are given to kitchen appliances and furnitures with 9%. Groceries and pantry has 8%. Baby stuffs, automotive and lawn items has 6% commission. So these are some of the categories where you can earn highest commission. But there are also other categories where you can earn. So please check out their official Amazon Associate program website for more information. Their special programs also offer fixed commissions where you can earn between rupees 100 to 250 per customer. After listening to all these steps and if you are planning to be part of their associate program, I have some tips for you. First one, research on what are the top selling products or products with great deals and what customers are really looking to buy basis different seasons. Make sure you look at the percentage of commission before advertising the product. Make sure you choose products with good rating and reviews. Also keep in mind that though somebody else is buying the products, it should be genuine. Highlight to customers why should they buy the product. For example, like best sale offer or its unique features. Since you're advertising their products on social media, make sure those pages are interesting, attractive and engaging. I'm one of them who hates spam messages. So make sure you don't spam too much. I have a secret tip. Listen to this very carefully. You also get paid for all the additional products that are bought along with your product. Say if you're promoting the latest Xbox and the customer clicks the Amazon link, he purchases the console and then buys other items at the same time, you get credit for all of it. So that's the good news. If they buy something else along with what you recommend, you will receive a commission for that as well. Amazon has a great memory power. You know why? It remembers the traffic you send to the site if the customer adds something to their cart. Until they pay for the product, you will be remembered for 90 days to earn commission. Say your customer clicks on the URL you shared but unfortunately doesn't add anything to the cart. Still, Amazon cookies remember you for 24 hours for that specific product. So here's the last and a very important tip. Don't forget to read all the terms and conditions related to Amazon Associate program because there are rules to follow and you must follow them. I'm hoping this episode is going to help you and I'm wrapping it up here. See you all in the next one. Till then, take care, keep smiling and bye.